So this is an unboxing, like the American would said. This is a sizzling hot delivery. It just arrived. So let's see what's inside. Please read urgent safety warning before. Who needs safety warnings? Come on, that's a joke. So this is supposed to be a Varta battery. Let's see. Just came in by the courier. So as I can see, it's very well packed. It's from a company, I bought it from a company here in the UK. Very good. I did business with them before. So the packing seems to be very, very professional made. I think it's leak proof for any kind of spillage or whatever. So I like this. It's very well good. And also seems that it is vacuumed. Yeah. Yeah, it is in a vacuum bag. This is the seal. So I believe they, again, I think it's for safety reasons. Not to have any kind of spill. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a big bag. So with a seal inside, and see if I can open it. Okay. Up until here, I like it. It is very good. Sorry for the sound, for the noise. Plastic is always annoying. You remember when you travel with the airplane and someone in the back is deafening silence, someone in the back is eating chips or whatever. This is not nice. So I have the battery company here, 12 volts, 130 cold cranking transit plugs immediately. So it refers to these plugs in here in the idea so the battery can breathe easily. I have bought batteries from them before. Very good service, very good battery. Seems to be original. Well, I'm not sure if some people they are doing some clones of these batteries for the moment, but seems that Varta is holding on very well in the market, making very good products, as far as I can tell, at least. Yeah, battery posts, they look alright. Yeah, everything seems perfect. So now the next step is gonna be to put the battery into charge for 24 hours at least in a trickle charge, just to make sure that everything is alright with it. And of course take these plugs out, and when you install this into the car, don't forget to write in here the date when you install this battery into the car, so you remember next time, because this is the issue I have. I had a battery exactly like this one in this car, but I couldn't determine the date of manufacture or whenever it was installed into the car, so it was another unreliable battery, so I had to buy another one. This is it.